Hi guys, back with you now for our second demonstration for the day. This time I'm going back to basics. We're going back to plane geometry and we're going to circumscribing a triangle in a circle. Alright, so first thing we need to create a triangle. This is what the result down here will look like, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to recreate this so you guys can see. This was done already. Unfortunately, the video wasn't recording. It wasn't recording at all, so let's get going. The distances we are using, A to B, is 70 mil. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my baseline somewhere here, and I'm going to look for 70 millimeters. So that's the first thing. 70 millimeters. And we call that A to B. A, B. Now, what are we looking for now? For the second distance, we're looking at a distance of B to D, which is 65. B to D is 65. We create an arc line. Somewhere on this line is where D would be. Alright? And then now, we're going to create the distance of A to D, which is 45. A to D is 45. So somewhere here is D, where our 2 points intersect. I hope you guys are following. Now I'm going to join them together.
There's nothing on it.
So I'm about to create my triangle.
Her thing even says that she is going to give your sneezes around. Your sneezes are going to make the world implode.
It hurts when it sneezes. That says a lot.
Hey guys, I'm doing a demonstration over here and I do not want any loud talking.
Alright.
And I didn't see the two loudest people in the school just appeared. So take yourself somewhere else. Alright? Now what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to bisect A and B here, and then I'm going to bisect A and D. The reason why we're bisecting is because we're looking to find point O, which is going to be our axis for our circle to touch all three of these points. So let's go. Now bisecting, we always open our compass more than half, but less than the full distance we are bisecting. So it's open to more than half. We make a scribe below, a scribe above at A, and then we do the same thing at B. A scribe below, scribe above at B. Then what we can do, we are going to correspond these lines, these points, sorry. So we find a common line, and this here is our halfway point between A and B. Now we do the same thing at A and D. Open the compass to slightly more than half, but never the full thing. So bisect, making my arcs at D, above and below, my arc at A, and at A, above and below. Alright. So I found my center, which is point O. Let's call that point O. This will be used now as the center for my circle. This is the axis for my circle that is going to touch all 3 points. So we start here. And open this to point A, and it should touch point B, and it should also touch point B. So let's make my smooth curve around. I'm just dancing over it for you guys at home watching, because it's very light. So that's it there. And this is a demonstration that took about 5 minutes. So let me just title this. What have we created? We have created, let me draw my arrow to the circle. We have created a circumscribe. What that means is a circle which fits into a triangle. How do we spell that word? C-I-R, C-U-M, scribe, S-C-R-I-B-E. Thanks guys for joining. Quick 5-minute demonstration. If you like this, share this with others. Subscribe to your page. Enjoy learning. Thank you.